Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. In today's video, we're reviewing the coolest pair of Air Max GENOME out yet. So without too much talking, let's get into the video.
Wow, nice dude. Zip it, Stanley.
So yeah guys, let's get it. So here they are. You see, one thing about this pair is just that it's just good. It just looks good, you know what I'm saying? It looks absolutely amazing. Like the color pattern, the blue is vivid, you know what I mean? There's so much to say about it, and at the same time so little, because it's simply beautiful. The first thing I would like to point out is the contrast between the blue of the Nike and the gray, and then there's a black outline that makes it makes the blue tick stand out even more, you know. I also really like the design here, these little sections, you know. It gives it that futuristic looks, and all the Nike ticks are just top tier, TT, you know. Look at it, look at this. Look at this, look at the artistry, you know what I mean? Again, look at the different sections, you know. Amazing. And then it's got the little Air Max here, you know. Simply beautiful, you know. The laces are calm. This is the bottom, very nice. I don't know if you can notice, but there's a little Air Max, a shiny Air Max written here. Look at the air units, absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. Let me show you guys the inside. This is what it looks like, just beautiful, you know. Let's put them on. You know what? Let me put it with something different. See, the thing about this type of shoes is that you gotta wear it with a color that creates a contrast, if you know what I mean. And to be honest, with black, this pair looks great. It just looks great, you know what I mean? It's comfortable. And one thing here, winter is coming and this is warm. This pair is warm. This pair will keep you warm and it will keep you protected from the rain. 100%, no doubt, you know? So yeah, guys. It's comfortable. It's warm and it's solid, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's give it a mark. .5. I don't give it a 9 because what's the reason why I wouldn't give this pair a 9? Because I don't see myself wearing it with a lot of different outfits, like versatility. That's the only reason why I'm not giving it a 9. So yeah guys, make sure you like, subscribe and share. Cool.